How's it going? Here we are at Fitness Premier. Today I've got with me Heather, and we're going to be going through a circuit training upper body workout. It's going to take about 8 to 10 minutes, and it's going to consist of 8 to 10 movements. We're going to go from one movement to the next. Typically, you want to do one exercise for each body part, hit them all from different angles, and you want to take about a 10-second break from one move to the next. So once you put one weight down, you got 10 seconds to get to the next move. It's going to keep the heart rate elevated, and at the same time, it's going to tone the muscles that we're trying to work on. So without further ado, here's Heather to show us the way. Let's get started off. Here we go. Now, you've been watching my videos, you know to keep those elbows into the sides. You basically want to glue those elbows into the sides. These are tricep brush down. Today she's using a triangle bar. Okay, sometimes you can use a straight bar or an easy curl bar, or sometimes use a rope. They're all going to hit the same muscle from a different angle. Okay, so we're using a tricep bar with this one right here. You want to isolate those triceps by getting that squeeze at the bottom. You never want to just go through the motions. You want to isolate the muscle, squeeze the bottom up slow and controlled. Flex up slow and controlled. Flex up slow and controlled. You got to make every single rep count. You never want the weight to control you. You can't let the weight get away from you. You got to make the muscle do the work and keep those elbows in about the same spot at the sides throughout every single rep. 3 more. Come on, 3. Come on, 2. Hit it. And 1. Okay, reverse grip pull downs now. Here we go. Let's hit this. Underhand grip. Pinky on the outside of the silver handle. Okay, good. You want to aim for the bottom of the neck, just below the chin. Good. That's good. Now, if you let the bar get out too far in front of you, you can't squeeze those shoulder blades. On this particular exercise, on any back exercise for that matter, you always want to squeeze those shoulder blades, otherwise the exercise just is not as effective. The only way to isolate those lats is to squeeze those shoulder blades. That's why you want to keep the bar in close to the chin, close to the neck, and that way you work the right muscles out. Because if you don't squeeze the blades, it's more of an arm exercise. Come on, here we go, exhale and pull. Let's get this now, keep the bar close to your neck, let's go. There you go, exhale and pull, come on, pull. Get it now, come on, pull. A couple more, come on, hit it. 1 more. Okay, left slow and controlled, right to press downs now, let's go. Good. Okay, now, we're doing another version of the press down, but this time with a straight bar, okay? You just want to bring the, once you can draw a straight line from the elbow as high as you want to go. So just keep it under the chest, that's good. Under the chest, keep those elbows in tight, good. See, because before we were doing the triangle, now we're doing a straight bar. They both hit the same muscle, but from different angles. And like I've said in the past, the more angles you get at a muscle from, the more you're going to shape the muscle, which is another reason why you want to do free weights instead of machines. You just have more options with free weights than you do with the machines. Come on, keep those elbows in tight. Good. Come on, big squeeze, back up straight. 3, come on, 2 more, hit it. 2, one more time, push. You're right over here. Come on. See the camera rolls in, let's go. Let's go, Heather. Let's get this done. Back up straight. Exhale and pull. Good. Exhale and pull. My clients tend to excel at back exercises because back is one of the hardest muscle groups to work on, so I spend a lot of time on back movements. Let's get a shot of her shoulder blades here. See, she's squeezing her shoulder blades here, see? And that's what it's going to take. You want to get those shoulder blades back and pull those elbows back as far as possible. That's typically how you want it to look. Just take it down for a second. Take it down. Drop, set it. Get that going. Exhale and pull. That's about how you want it to look right there. Just nice and slow and controlled. Back up straight, the lower back's tight. Get those elbows back as far as you can. You always want to dig that bar into the stomach. Good, come on. 4, come on, 3, 2 more, and 1. Okay, right to pull downs again, let's go. Okay, here we go. Keep the bar close to your neck, just under your chin. Okay, now this is another version of the pull down. We started off earlier, we did some reverse grip pull downs. This is another version of the pull down, but it's different angles. Now her palms are facing one another, so she's hitting the same muscle from a different angle. Okay, so it's going to shape the muscle more effectively. Come on, keep it going. Exhale and pull. Come on, exhale and pull. Okay, take the weight up. Stand up with it for a second. Come on, just like 5 seconds. Keep it going. Okay, smooth quality reps now. Smooth quality reps. Come on, keep it going. So like I said, you got to shape the muscle from different angles. And in any back exercise, you always want to squeeze those blades at the bottom. Flex, up slow and controlled. Come on, flex, up slow and controlled. Come on, down and up. Down and up. Come on, 3. Come on, let's go, Heather. Let's get this. 2. One more time, pull. Okay, stair step for 1 minute now. Let's go. Come on, get it up slow. Go on that stair stepper. 1 minute, come on. And I time her. So I got the stopwatch here going. Okay, so I make sure she gets a full minute out of this. because when you're in a busy gym like this, people tend to take the piece of equipment that you're getting ready to use, which is fine. We can always improvise and do something different. But I always want to keep her moving. I want to keep that heart rate elevated throughout the entire circuit training session. And we typically do 3 of these circuits. So what we're doing now, we're going to do 3, sometimes 4 times. If you're a beginner, maybe even just twice. Come on now, keep that weight moving now. Keep that weight moving. Here we go. Here we go. Exhale and push now. Exhale and push. Come on, get that back up tight. Let's go. Keep it up. Exhale as you push out that front leg now. Come on. You want to switch legs too. Good. Keep it going. Keep it going. 10 seconds now. Let's go. Come on. Start we moving now. Good. Up fast. Up fast. And that's good. Okay. Girls. Keep those elbows tight to the sides. Underhand grip. And now, keep those elbows back by the sides the whole entire time. Down slow all the way, and back. Good. Yeah. On any bicep or tricep movement, you always want to keep those elbows close and tight to the sides. That's how you make the muscle do the work. If your elbows come out too far in front, then your front shoulders are going to take over more of the movement. So, if anything, you want to keep those elbows back. And as you're curling the weight, bring those elbows back to put more of an emphasis on the biceps. Come on, get that squeeze to the top, down slow. And you also notice how she's coming pretty much all the way down. You want to go all the way down and all the way up. That way you get the lower bicep in, the upper bicep in. A lot of people go so heavy on this machine and on this exercise that they only go halfway down and they cheat the weight up. One more, take it down. Come on, take it down all the way. Okay, keep repping it out. Keep repping it out. Let's go. Okay. A lot of people go so heavy on this machine they only come halfway down. Therefore, the upper arm's only involved. You want to make sure those lower biceps get involved. Keep those elbows back. Come on, keep those elbows back. Let's go. Pull. Come on, 2. One more time. Pull. Okay, take it down slow. Okay, now upright rows. Overhand grip. This is it right here now. Come on. Let's go. Pull to the chin. Come on. Bam. Down slow, though. You got to control the weight. You got to control the weight on the way down. See, there's 2 phases to every lift. You got the up phase and the down phase, otherwise known as the positive or the negative. You want to make sure both parts of every single rep count. You can't just get the weight up and let it drop down on you. You got to make the muscle control the weight throughout the entire repetition. That means the up phase and the down phase, because the muscle's always working. In other words, you want to keep constant tension on the muscle throughout. Let's go. Pull. Come on. 3. Let's go. 2 more. Pull. One more time. Pull. Good. Take it down slow. Okay. And that's Heather. She's a very hard worker, as you can see. Heather, you have anything you want to add to the camera? How do you feel right now?
Much better.
Yeah?
Much better.
Well, that's a plus. Yeah, she's improving. She's making constant strides and progress. But if you're ever in town, we're in Bourbonnais, Illinois. Fitness Premier. Come check me out sometime. We'll get a workout in. Thanks for watching.